Hey guys, I wanted to jump in your inbox really quickly to share some amazing, exciting news with you guys that kind of been reaching out to me and my team over the past couple of days asking for additional slots so you can attend the masterclass. And I am here to tell you, guess what? We were able to do it. So we had actually brung in a few more dates for the classes so we could serve more of you guys. So if you can come to Charlotte on February 4th, we actually have some slots available and giving you a special offer that you can get down below. Or how about being in Baltimore on the class that's on the 6 is actually full, but we've just added another class on the 7th. So if you can attend Sunday's class in Baltimore with that special offer below, guess what? We hope to see you in the inside. Not to mention Queens. Queens, I kept getting so many requests for Queens. And if you can be in Queens on the 10th, guess what? We are adding an additional class to the Queens Draping Masterclass. Detroit, unfortunately, is completely full, and there's no way they can really expand that class as of now. But if we come up with something, we definitely will let you know. So click that link below. Take advantage of this amazing flash sale. So click that link below so you can actually secure your spot, and I hope to see you guys in class. Now, the one thing I want to mention is that this is a huge discount for you guys to come to the class, and unfortunately, it does not include a kit and it does not include fabric because we are too close to the date to get you guys order so you can have that in class. But this is an amazing opportunity for you to come and learn. Everything will be supplied for you in class for you to practice with. And again, if you want to place an order, we will be placing orders right there at the end of class and you can have it shipped to your home. So that's all I got for you guys today. Bye. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Or no, I actually hope to see you guys in class.